It is 9 something right now. My mom's cooking food. My breakfast is a pancake with Nutella and strawberries wrapped. Wearing this jacket. If I really wanted to get to the I think I'm gonna wear. I think this is where the problem comes in, the jeans. This is an all-star jeans. Perfect. These shoes, I recently bought them. Here is the outfit. That is the necklace, the jewelries, the bracelet, the thing, the shoes, and the bag. So yeah. Finished my makeup, not fully, because I don't have my contour stick, so it kind of doesn't look much defined, which is sad, because I'm looking for, because we're going to the city right now, I'm gonna go and buy more contour sticks, or like cream. I can't look cute. This has to go off. Oh, this is off. Let's change into the outfit. Anyways, it still looks good though, because I'm just too good. Ain't nobody catch me saying that ever again. Here is outfit day number 2. This jacket is too cute. I loved it. This bag, I think I'm just gonna keep this bag for like the next whole week, because it holds a lot of stuff. My star pants, I don't know if you can see this, but this is my Skechers shoes. Makeup done, glosses, one of these. Gotta tell my best friend to get one as well, so we can match, because me and her style is kind of like the same. So we are going to the station. Help, I have never been in a Sydney station in my life. I'm following some random ass woman, bro. I actually love Sydney, right? Sydney's too funny. Anyways, let's go. Sydney, why is your tap on card, whatever, so confusing? Yeah, you can do it with your credit card, and then if you want the card, it's like $20 per person, and then you have to add another money for it. $20 for a card. It's mental. We are at the station. I like the Sydney train because the trip fled from one side to another. Good thinking. Help me God. I'm going backwards while this one is going forward. My lips are looking nice anyway. We are still like 9 stops away. Red and glossy, that's what we like. Whatever this place is. What? Burwood. How long is it gonna take? But the city ain't sitting right now. The new mascara I got, I'll tell you guys later, but the new mascara I got is eating off. What the heck? Oh, I just showed it. We are now going to Opera House. It looks so beautiful. Like no one, like the fit is fitting. My phone has like 20%, but I'm so good. Yeah, but I'm so grateful I have a portable charger. Because if it was not, I'd be dead. Outfit of the day, lol. I want to go home. It's too hot in here. But in like Australia,
it's okay. It's okay. It's all good. It's all good.
It's like it'll be hot and then it'll start raining. Here it's just hot. It's like what's going on with Melbourne?
You're joking. You're joking.
I just said Australia. Oh. Someone neck me. Help. I can't speak. Anyways, like the rest of the families was like, do you see how far away we are? I actually sometimes think like, they ain't like them, because how am I walking faster than them? That's crazy. There is a guy on the window. Mind you, the window is going down like this. That's crazy. That's mental. Lol. I want to neck myself. What is this? So high for? God damn. Oh. By the way, when I'm here, I'm gonna have to buy a lot of K-pop albums. That was my goal since day one, because they have an iHeart K-pop Australia Sydney. Okay. I have took my photos. I am going to edit them as well. Now, like when I say edit, like adjust the lighting, because the lighting was not giving what it's supposed to be giving, and it's just not. It was not, guys. Help! I'm gonna cry. Yeah. Anyways, love. We are now going to get gelatos. I found, okay, so I didn't get ice cream, right? I got sorbet because strawberry sorbet is just too good. But I wish they had like watermelon. Watermelon would have been nice. It's like a watermelon on a sunny day.
Oh my god.
This view is a killer. I love this view. Help me God. You know what I'm trying to find? My future boyfriend. Maybe he's in Sydney. Sydney man scare me. I would prefer Melbourne. Sydney boys and Sydney men scare me. I mean, there's only like what, 2 that say yes, and their names are Bloop and Bloop. If they're not them, I don't want them. Delusion. 100% Lulu, 100% delusion, 100% everything. One thing I wish I bought was like a portable holder, so it's like easier to hold, but like I don't want that either. Ooh, my dad is calling me. Let me go back. I've taken too many photos at this point that. Anyways, we're trying to get food right now. Roar. Heart. Oh, sliding off. Anyways, I have ordered my food. I'm getting a margarita. I'm getting a margarita. Huh? I'm getting a margarita with. Can you shut up? A margarita with pink lemonade, because why not? And then that girl's getting a whole ass burger and chips, but I'm still in her chips. So
So tasty today is a tasty day. You have a delicious day.
Guys, anyways, you see this? Yeah, there's a mirror. There's a hand, wash The toilet. Boom. The door. This is not a joke, bro. What the fuck? Yeah. Anyways, I'm trying to go on the ship to like see the places. Oh, my lip needs retouching. LOL, they're fighting over there, but yeah, I got my ticket, a single ticket to go to some place. I don't know if I could. I would just like randomly pick this place. It's not even a joke. Oh my god, my makeup is like not makeuping anymore. Tell you, right? Little boat is down there. That is Luna Park. Basically, it's Luna Park. She was being fast. Come on, let's get sit down. We're going back to where we came from. Not in that sense. I mean, like where we were before. It's such a beautiful sight, isn't it? Oh, what the? Isn't that just gonna people oddly? Like if I'm pretty young, that might I'll be a GoPro. But I just it will take us like 12 minutes to get there. I'm now here by myself, like crouching down because they have to go to the toilet. We missed the one we were supposed to take. LOL. Today was fun. At a blast. Literally my favorite earrings right now. Like literally.
Today
favorite.
is going to Alex to
beach.
Bye.
Bye.
We have arrived at home. Hip hip hooray. Anyways. How cute. Anyways, I'm gonna change my pajamas. It's actually gonna be my favorite pajamas now. It is pretty hot, so I'm gonna have to need something like this. Don't mind the background noise. It's my mom literally playing a film. We just watched a film an hour ago. Now she's playing a whole another film. And guess what? I'm gonna watch with her because I ain't trying to sleep right now. Sleep now. Me and you make friends. But yeah. Yeah. So good night for now. And I hope I see you in the morning. Bye people. Bye.